Hello and welcome on board Wandering Blue.
In March 2025, we set sail from the UK in search of new horizons and a life less ordinary. And as you can tell, we found it.
In this episode, we're barbecuing on the beach, racing through the jungle in more ways than one, and seeing in the new year in style. Because
it's Christmas!
We've had Oh, what?
We should do the horse racing.
I think we're a bit late for that, aren't we?
Oh yeah, it was 2:30.
Ready?
We can do it tomorrow.
It's Christmas!
Merry Christmas, everyone!
Merry Christmas. We have had a very chill day today. Been to the beach, had a good breakfast, and basically spent the rest of the day getting ready for our family to arrive. They've just got to a hotel, which is the other side of the marina, so going to go over in the tender in a minute, chauffeur them over to the boat. Nice chilled evening, and then Christmas really is tomorrow, so it's kind of our Christmas Eve. Because we found a really nice spot, that's where we went today to go and have a barbecue on the beach tomorrow. And yeah, good Christmas Caribbean island vibes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Taxi service. What are we doing?
We are prepping for our Christmas day. It's actually Boxing Day, but family arrived pretty late last night, so we are doing a big barbecue beach feast today.
Tzatziki, beans for rice and beans. There's a brownie in here. Garlic butter for the lobster. Potatoes. Couldn't be a British family party without a big thing of potatoes.
Ah.
How's it going?
Nearly burnt them, but
Oh
it's
dear,
alright.
that would not be good. So there's going to be some coconut cream. If you watch previous videos, we did a very similar thing to what we're doing here with kidney beans and coconut rice. We did that on Passage with some mahi-mahi. Today we're doing it with marlin and lobster on the beach for Christmas.
Am I just adding one?
Beautiful! Yeah, 1 can of coconut cream, please, because you don't want it to go all stodgy.
Any other spices?
So I'm going to go around in the tender and collect the family in a minute. We've got rum punch on the go, we've got some pit on, Dad's gone to get some ice. Yeah, it's all go. It's going to be really good, I'm really excited. It feels more like Christmas today than it did yesterday, I think, because it's that excitement of everyone's about to get here and we're, you know, going and doing all the things and cooking and everyone's got their jobs and stuff like that, so yeah, it's really cool.
Oh, hello!
Hello!
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
You having a nice time?
Yeah. I was just testing that hammock, you know, just to make sure that
Just make sure it's not
make
poisoned.
sure it works and no one pulls out. Bye.
Bye.
Hello, Josh.
We've got some marlin, which we bought from the fisherman. Got a lemon and a lime. Gonna squeeze it in here, give it a shake around, pop it on the barbecue in the fish grate. And then we've also got some jerk marlin and 2 lots of chicken and some lobster tails that are going on the barbecue as well. Happy Boxing Day.
Oh yeah. Woohoo!
Okay.
Hello. These sunglasses look really funny on
They look cool with that nice little Christmas outfit.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
Show us your food.
Am I doing a taste test?
Yeah.
I want to take the shell home.
Out of 10?
10.
Wow.